In December 1994, Choje Yijin Norbu received an invitation from Singaporean Buddhist representatives, who sincerely invited him to visit and spread the Dharma. After carefully reading the letter, Choje gladly accepted. First stop, Singapore from April 29 to May 18. On April 29, Choje flew to Singapore, where he was warmly welcomed by local devotees. From April 30 to May 1, at the Concourse, a large shopping mall, Choje bestowed the refuge, bodhisattva, and tantric vows upon the fortunate disciples, followed by the Vajrasattva empowerment. The mall's 3 floors were packed with at least 2,000 attendees. This marked the first large-scale Vajrayana Dharma assembly in Singapore. On May 3, Choje conferred empowerments such as the peaceful Manjushri and Guru Dorje Drolo. From May 4 to May 8, Choje taught placing Buddhahood within reach at the People's Buddhism Studies Society. During this intensive teaching period, some lay practitioners suggested that Choje take a break and visit the nearby beach. That day, under the bright sunshine and a gentle sea breeze, everyone gathered around Choje, sipping drinks, chatting, and feeling completely at ease. Starting May 9, Choje began teaching the natural freedom of the nature of mind at the same venue. In between, he also visited 2 other Dharma centers, where he gave the Jampal Yeshi Sempa and the Amitayas empowerments. All those present were filled with Dharma joy. Additionally, Choje performed a Po Wa ceremony, bringing varying degrees of liberation to all those connected. On May 12, Choje accepted an invitation from the Singapore Buddhist Lodge. There, he consecrated the statues in the Mahavira Hall and gave detailed instructions on attaining rebirth in the Pure Land. May 14 was Vesak Day. Choje attended the Buddha bathing ceremony and in the evening joined a grand Vesak Day banquet. During the lamp offering, everyone held a lotus lamp, and the entire venue was instantly transformed into a galaxy of twinkling stars, a scene of exceptional solemnity and sacredness. On May 16, Choje visited Kongmung Sanfor Kark Si Monastery, where he conferred the gathering of Vidyadhara's empowerment from the Longchen Nyingtik cycle, as well as the peaceful Manjushri empowerment. For those unable to attend, Choje kindly offered a special teaching, ensuring every devotee left spiritual fulfilled. Second stop, Malaysia, from May 18 to May 29. On May 18, Choje left Singapore for Malacca. On May 19, he taught the importance of faith, compassion, and wisdom, and conferred the gathering of Vidyadhara's empowerment at the Malacca Karma Kagyu Dharma Society. From May 22 to 25, Choje taught placing Buddhahood within reach at the Wa Mei Hotel in Malaysia. During this time, he and his followers enjoyed peaceful walks by the beach. On May 25, Dakini Mumso gave the 4-armed Avalokiteshvara empowerment and led a lamp offering ceremony for Buddha Shakyamuni the next day. On May 26, Choje was invited to the oldest Chinese temple in Malaysia to bestow blessings and give teachings. On May 27, Choje traveled by car to Kuala Lumpur, where he gave the Amitabha empowerment and taught heart essence Bindu of the heart in a practical and direct way. Returning journey from May 29 to June 21. On May 29, Choje arrived in Hong Kong from Kuala Lumpur. Local devotees eagerly requested empowerments and teachings, and Choje graciously fulfilled each request. On June 3, Choje departed Hong Kong for Chengdu. Devotees from different cities came to meet him. Choje compassionately bestowed empowerments upon them. On June 14, while passing through Yan, Choje was invited to Yongxing Monastery, where he bestowed the Jampal Yeshi Sempa empowerment, bringing great joy to all present. On June 15, Choje headed to Dartsedo, where severe flooding was occurring. Floodwaters soon covered the streets and cut off the roads. Choje stayed at Dorje Drak Monastery. The monks there felt deeply honored by his arrival. During this time, Choje also visited and consecrated a stupa built by Tangtong Gyalpo in Dartsedo City. On June 20, Choje departed Dartsedo and began his journey home. Monastic disciples lined the road to welcome their beloved guru. The scene was deeply moving. Upon returning to Larung Gar, Choje went straight to the main sutra hall and briefly shared his experiences with the monastic community. Rinpoche remarked, "My visits to Singapore and Malaysia were fruitful in spreading the Dharma and benefiting sentient beings." Thus, the auspicious 1995 Southeast Asia Dharma tour came to a perfect conclusion. Choje's travels and precious teachings in each place have been fully recorded in the book Moon and Water. If you wish to learn more, you may want to explore its pages.